Lost your desktop icons? No worries. Let's quickly restore your missing desktop icons together. Dive into simple steps and key solutions. Ready? Let's go. First up, we're going to make some adjustments via the Registry Editor. Start by searching for Registry Editor in your search bar. Now, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You'll likely see a prompt asking for permission. Click Yes to continue. Once you're in the Registry Editor, navigate through the folders on the left. Double-click on hkey_current_user, then Control Panel, and after that, Desktop. Now, look for a folder named Windows Metrics. If it's there, double-click to open it. Type 1128. Click OK to confirm. Next, find Icon Vertical Spacing. Double-click, and just like before, set the value to 1128. This changes the vertical spacing. Hit OK once you've done that. Now, just right-click on the Windows Start button and choose Restart to apply these new settings to your desktop. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. Hover over View, and in the menu that appears, simply click on Show Desktop Icons. This little trick can sometimes refresh your icon layout without needing to tweak any settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.